What's up, sub love, subby bunches of O's and subby OGs? It's your girl Nay Nay back with another video. Ooh, whatever. Ooh. So, y'all know something about my hair. You see this though? You see this? You see this? Oh God! You see this? So, I am doing my twist out tutorial for you all. If you haven't seen, I just did my wash day. I will link that in the cards. I don't know if it's this way or this way, but one of these two ways. I'll link in the cards above and the description in the description box below. And I will also make sure I link all my other videos that are encounter with my wash day, and also my protective style takedown and all of that. So yes, I will be showing you how to achieve this twist out and all the products and everything that I will use. But if you haven't, make sure you subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload a video. There is a lot more videos to come. So thank you all, and I will see you all now. Okay, y'all, so let's start off on this back section. My hair is still, I didn't think my hair was still this, I don't want to say wet, but damn. Yeah, my hair is still fairly damp, so I might not need this water. I also have a spray bottle here. Well, this is my mist bottle. I prefer to do this when I'm styling my hair because my hair, like it is now, it could still be already damp and wet, and I don't want it dripping while I do my twist out. So yeah. Do I have extra clips? I might need to go get some extra clips. Let me go get some extra clips. Hold on real quick. Alright, y'all, so I just got back and I got 2 more clips. I also got my perm rods because since I am transitioning, my hair is not fully natural, so my hair is not fully curly. So I'm definitely going to need that for my ends. Even though like it doesn't look like it, I do have straight ends on here. But you know, it's all good. So what you want to do is, if you feel like you need some water, apply some water. I'll probably just spray like you will. Just get your spray bottle going first. Or my mist bottle. There we go. Don't worry, I got a towel there. So it is going to lightly mist the hair because you don't want it too damp, but you don't want it dry either. Right there. So just enough water, and we are going to work in sections. So work in this section. I might make this too, but it's fine. So I'm gonna clip this back. I'm hoping I don't get a phone call while filming. Gonna pray we can at least get part of this done without any interruptions. So once you clip up your section, what you're going to do is take your Denman brush and slightly detangle. You're really doing it for more definition, but just smooth the part in your hair. And I am using the Cream of Nature coconut milk curl cream, and I will leave that in the description below. Also the My Gel I am using, and I'm just smoothing that through my hair. And I'm taking my Denman brush and I'm smoothing it through. So as you see right here, I'm taking those two, I split the section, and I'm just 2-strand twisting it all the way down. Make sure you twist as close to the root as possible. You don't want to be too tight, but you don't want to be too loose because you don't want your twist to come apart. So as you can see, I'm just twisting my hair all the way down. A tip that I didn't do here, which you can do, is once you get as close as the bottom as possible, take whatever tool you use to detangle or kind of smooth your hair through, whether it be a Denman brush or a rat tail comb it or brush it through. Add a little bit more product before you twist it up, as you see I just did, then twist it up like that, so that way you can make sure the bottom is very detangled. And I'm just taking a perm rod since I am transitioning, and I'm just twisting it up as where the relaxed to the natural part meet, that line of demarcation, and just clipping it up, and enjoy me doing the rest of my hair. I am on my very last section of my twist, so that's what you're seeing here. And for those who did not see, I applied the water, then I applied the curling cream, then I applied my gel. So after that, then I used my Denman brush to smooth it all through. Then I sectioned each section off and went one more time with my Denman brush to do it like that, and then I started twisting my hair. I don't know if you all saw that process, but that huge section, I do that to that first, and then I make subsections and smooth it through one more time in those subsections, and then I start twisting up my hair. and then coil it at the end, and then put a perm rod at the end. So that's what I'm doing here. And sometimes those perm rods give me a hard time. And I am all done with that. So now I am going to get my scarf, and I am going to put that on. Struggling, but I was putting it on. You just want to make sure your hair is nice and tucked in and whatnot, and then just tie it up. And after I put on my scarf, I did get my black bonnet, and I put that on, and that's just for extra security of when you go to sleep at night. So thank you guys. I will actually be back in a few days because I wear my twist at least for 3 to 4 days, and then I'll show you when I take it out for it to be the twist out part of the video. So I was just twisting my hair tonight, and it is after 11:30, so I'm gonna finish clean up, take a shower, and relax till I go to sleep because I do have work in the morning. So I will see you all back in a few days when I take out the twist. Morning, everybody. It is Sunday morning at this point. So right now what I'm doing is I am about to take out my twist down, and I take olive oil and I start untwisting my hair. You want to untwist in the opposite direction of what you twist it in, and just be careful when you do untwist your hair because it can get very tangled, and that's not what you want at all. So just be careful. Make sure you have plenty of oil in your hands because that will help prevent frizz when you take down your twist. So that's a good tip and a good pointer for you all, and it was fairly easy. And as you can see, I be jamming when I take out my hair, when I do my hair. Like, I was just rocking. Hey, oh, kill it, oh. So that's what I was doing. And as you can see, oh, get it, oh, hit it, oh, you see the head? Look at the head, oh. Alright, so that's what I was doing. Get it! I think that's what I was saying. I don't know what I was saying, but I was feeling it. So that's what I was doing. Just taking down my twist and jamming. So when you untwist, I don't initially fluff my hair, but just fluff throughout, and that's what I was doing right there. So just keep on doing that. And here I was bobby pinning my hair. I take 4 bobby pins and I put 2 on the left and 2 on the right and kind of make a cross shape with the bobby pins. That's what I like to do with my hair. You can do whatever you want with your hair, and that's what I prefer because I think it just looks cute, and you have that cute little middle part right there, and I think it just adds something to the style. You can leave it, that's optional, but that's what I prefer to do. So I believe that I'm going to start doing my edges next. I think so. Yes. So what I like to do is take a edge brush, where I can leave a link down in the description box because I got it from Amazon, so I'll leave that in the description. And I like to use the edge booster, edge control. I think it's the lemon scent. I'll leave it down below. I can't think of the name. It's the pink one though. It's the pink one. That's the one I prefer to use. So I was doing my edges. Y'all can't see in the camera because my mirror was on the other side, and I wasn't trying to jack up my edges. I love you all. You know that I love you, but I had to make sure my edges was looking laid and slayed and right, so I had to kind of do it on off camera right there. But you know, just enjoy my background. You know, just enjoy the background. You feel me? So
After I lay my edges, took maybe about 10 minutes or so. I'm very precise when it comes to laying my edges. So after you lay your edges, you take your edge scarf and you tie that down for about 10 minutes or so. It's up to you. If you all want an edge video, I can do that for you. Just leave it down in the description, not the description, in the comment section down below, and I got y'all. So just tied it down, and after that, this is my final look. I absolutely love this twist out. It is so cute. Oh my gosh. And I can probably get about maybe a week wearing my twist out. Depends on how I sleep and how my hair wants to act. My hair is very soft and it smells very, very good from all the products. And it's just a cute look. Yes. Yes. The perm rods really help at the ends because it all looks all one texture. So I'm happy. If you all like this look, let me know in the comments section. If you haven't, please subscribe. Follow me on my social media. We get exclusive content there. And thank you all for watching. I hope you all have a good day. Bye. Bye.